unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates! Welcome, my friends, welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed. You let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work.
Millennium Falcon, Smugglers Run.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Use the board. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And pull forward to fly down. Wheels are on line. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed. Yes, keep shooting. Two hands on the wheel. Drive to us. Take evasive action. There it is. Outside that plane. How are the shields, Annie? Right, engineer. Fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners. Shoot the cargo free. Pilot, brake. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse. Got one! Excellent, my friends! The power of the ship! Well, I have the gold axiom! You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has ordained, maybe a little something from Hondo, pilot, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car! Get behind the train! Into the center, flight engineer, follow the harpoon and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. It's getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, and distraction. Hurry! Pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We've made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Great job, my friends. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that was rough.
Oh boy, that's actually pretty bad. So repairs are $760.
-90.